Ask the uninitiated about the first thing that amazes them about MotoGP. And surprisingly, it's not always about the speeds, even though we know the riders on the straights are reaching somewhere around 350 kilometers per hour. That's 217 miles per hour. Quite often, it's about the lean angles the riders are generating as they hang off the side of their bikes, putting them through the corners. With the recent advances in tyre technology, it's somewhere up to 64 degrees from vertical that the bikes are now reaching, as you can see from this example of Jorge Lorenzo's Yamaha M1. It's an incredible feat when you compare it with the cornering abilities of other motorcycles.
If we take the vertical at 0 degrees, that represents when the rider is upright on a straight. And on your average city scooter, you'll be doing very well to get anywhere near 40 degrees from vertical. A standard naked bike will probably find its tipping point at the 50-degree mark, and on a road-going supersport bike, that may go out as far as 55 degrees. On a competition superbike with slicks, about 61 degrees would be your limit. But the tyre technology, combined with advances in understanding the flex of the frame as a whole, mean it's not rare to see the MotoGP Elite reach a staggering 64 degrees. As if to demonstrate this remarkable feat perfectly, with our M1 set up on a stand at the maximum lean angle, even the world champion himself finds it hard to stay on the bike without all those cornering forces at play. This achievement is made all the more impressive if we take a closer look at how much of the bike is actually touching the ground. With this 3D animation of Lorenzo at turn 5 at the Catalunya circuit, we get a chance to have a really good look at the M1 from all sides. And with the rider's elbow providing a moving anchor, the Spaniard is now cranked over at 64 degrees. So if we look right under the Yamaha at this angle, just 2 tiny patches on the shoulder of the tyres are in contact with the ground. This contact patch is estimated to be as small as the surface area of a credit card. Just how this is achieved, well, that's for Yamaha and Bridgestone to know and us to find out. But it makes MotoGP as spectacular as ever.